Can you get up?
Oh, but huh?
What'd you think of the snow? Oh, you're trying to eat it? What's Daddy doing?
Daddy.
You gonna go, Daddy?
Daddy's truck.
Daddy's truck. Oh, Daddy's gonna make a snowman, maybe? Oh, he's gonna throw a snowball, I think.
Dad!
He's trying to eat it. Make a snow angel, Ryan. Lay down and make a snow angel. He's like, I don't know what you're talking about. What you talking about? Do you think the snow is cool?
Daddy's truck.
Daddy's truck. Say hi. Hi, Dee Dee.
Hi.
Hi, Peggy.
Hi, Jim.
Hi, Hi, Auntie.
Hi.
Throw it.